card making kit. So our card making kits are $27 and they come packaged like this. And you get everything in them to make 6 cards except your adhesive. So you need to add your own tape and things in. I'm just going to show you what is in the cards that you can make. These are the cards. They're quite layered and detailed. Happy Mother's Day one. This one is always thinking of you. Happy birthday. These are just great cards for the stash. Another happy birthday one. Wishing you the happiest birthday ever. Loads of ideas and another cute little congratulations one. So inside here, I'll just quickly show you what's inside a kit. So inside the card making kit, you get this page here, which opens up and has full size images of the cards. So these are the exact same size images as the cards. So if I take this one here, for example, and if I was to measure from here to here on this piece of paper, that's the exact same size measurement on there. So if you measure up these cards, you'll be able to make these cards exactly the same how I have. So that is included in there. So 6 ideas to get you started. But of course you get 10 cards and envelopes. You get some beautiful pearls, the creative cuts, a cute little sheet with just some sayings on it if you want to make like a Mother's Day card, for example, and the collection pack. And finally you get some of this is like a grosgrain ribbon. That's it for me today, guys. Thanks for sticking with me. Till next time, bye.